Hey, South Florida. Here's another epic project. We've got a massive planter to seal up. First things first, we had to carefully remove all the soil. Why so careful? Because there were gas lines, electric lines, and irrigation pipes buried underneath. The right way to start any big dig is by calling 811. They come out, mark all the utilities, and give us the green light to start digging. Moving that much soil takes a lot of trucks and a lot of people. But don't worry, we're always super careful to protect our client's property. Our goal is to get the job done quickly, efficiently, and without any damage. Another challenge on this project was removing all those palm trees. We had to carefully transplant them to a temporary spot, because we'll be putting them back where they belong once the planter is sealed. And just like that, it's clean and ready to be sealed. Now, it's time to fill it back up and replant the palms. As you can see, this is just another epic project. A planter emptied, cleaned, sealed, and refilled to perfection. At Epic Landscaping, no challenge is too big.
Epic Landscaping, transforming outdoors, exceeding expectations.